Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you back up WhatsApp business messages. So at first, just go to the WhatsApp business app. Now here you can see in the top right here, three dot icon, click on it. After clicking it, the last option here is settings, click on it. Now in the middle option here is chats, click on it. The second last option, chat backup, click it. Now just click the last option if you want to include videos with chats. The second last option is chat backup using cellular, click on it. The third last is Google account. If you want to choose a Google account, then click Google account. The fourth last option is backup to Google Drive and click it. And here you can see you can select never, only when I tap, daily, weekly, monthly. Just use it weekly. Now here you can see the backup option. If you click it, your chats will be backup. So guys, that's how you can backup WhatsApp business messages. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.